Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to hang a poster without damaging your wall, making your dad nuts, or your landlord keeping your security deposit. First thing you got to do is clean your wall. A nice microfiber cloth works well with that. Just wipe all the dust off it, and you can start hanging. It's a good idea to visualize where you want to hang your poster. Try it in a couple different places. I like to put a piece of blue painter's tape on the wall, on the top edge of where I'm going to put my poster. Right about there. Having a level comes in handy, making sure everything's straight. First hanging project we're going to do, I'm going to use Loctite Fun Tack mounting putty. Basically, pull a piece off of the stick of putty, roll it between your fingers till it's the consistency of chewing gum. And then all you need to do is stick it in all four corners of your poster. To hang the poster, I like to start in the left-hand corner. Press that down, and pull with your right hand and press down on the right corner. Making sure you have no creases. Pull down on the left bottom corner, pull down on the right bottom corner. There you go. If you have something that you periodically want to take off the wall, like a sign or a calendar, I like to use these 3M clips. One nice thing about these clips is that you can put them on the wall and they won't damage your wall or paint. If you want something centered in the middle of a wall, it's a good idea to measure it. Since you already have your blue tape up here for your level, find the center of your wall right here and mark it on the tape. Put the clips on the calendar, peel off the backing, and stick it on the wall. If you have multiple posters you want to hang up at one time, here's an idea using suction cups, a piece of string, and some paper clips. Depending on how many posters you're hanging will determine the width of your piece of string. I like to tie a loop on each end and then loop that through, attach it to the suction cup, and do the same on the other side. You can just put the suction cup on, put the first one on, pull the string tight, put the second one on. Remove your tape. Now we can just add the paper clips. Then you just clip on your pictures or posters. Next poster hanging trick, we're going to use paper clips and a rare earth magnet. Basically what you want to do is attach the paper clip to the wall. Next, take your picture, place it up on the wall, find the paper clip with the magnet. Up next, I'm using 3M Velcro strips. Just to start, you peel off the back side of it, attach it to the four corners of your poster, then attach the corresponding Velcro to that, peel the backing on that, and hang it on your wall. Lastly, I'm going to hang a picture. This particular one's a little bit heavier. I'm going to use this new product on the market called Nano Tape. The cool thing about this is you can reuse it and it holds up 20 pounds. This Nano Tape is double stick tape. Cut off a piece, stick it to the back of your picture, and then peel the adhesive off the back of that and stick it to the wall. There it is, pretty simple. Hope that helps next time you want to hang a poster on the wall. For more tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.